Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to Photon Testnet Phase 2. This phase is called Aurora. We previously did Phase 1 which is called Supernova. Some are wondering whether they should join the Phase 2 even if they missed out on Phase 1, and I will say yes, at least it's better to participate in a phase of the testnet than to completely miss out. So you are going to find the link in the comment section, paste it in your browser to visit the testnet website. And the first thing that you want to do is to connect your wallet. Now once your wallet is connected, you want to connect Twitter as well. So tap on Connect Twitter and tap on Authorize App. Now the next thing you want to do is to add a Photon chain to your MetaMask. So you are going to tap on Add Chain Photon. And this is going to automatically bring you prompt to add the chain to MetaMask and also switch to that chain. However, because I experienced that with a different device before, if you are not getting that prompt, then you have to copy all of the details one after the other and then go to your MetaMask, add your network manually, and then paste all of the details you copied into their respective boxes. But this time I'm able to get the prompt, so I'll just do everything at a go. Once you have switched your chain to Photon, you want to claim Faucet, so tap on Claim PTON. At the first try, I got an error message, so what I want to do is to open up my MetaMask and then check maybe despite the error message I have received PTON. Well, my wallet showed that I have not received the test fund, so I'll go back to the testnet page and I'm going to refresh my browser, then I'm going to tap on Claim PTON again. This time the claiming from Faucet is successful. Let me zoom in my screen. You can see tokens have been sent to your address. So let's confirm by opening up my MetaMask again. I now have 10 PTON, so I'll go back to the testnet page. The next thing I want to do is to mint an NFT. So for you to mint an NFT, you have to name your NFT. So I'm going to type in Photon Aurora as the name of this testnet. Then I'm going to tap on Mint NFT. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. The minting of the NFT is successful. I'll move on to the next step. Once you mint your NFT, you now have a chance to stake your NFT. You can see my NFT here with the NFT ID 54241 Photon Aurora that I just minted. Now to task number 6, which is to stake my NFT that I just minted, I'll tap on the box Select NFT. Then I'm going to choose the NFT with the ID that I just minted, 54241. And then I'm going to tap on Stake NFT. I need to first approve the staking in my wallet, so I'll tap on Confirm. Approval successful. Now I'm going to confirm in my wallet. I'll tap on Confirm. Successful. So let's go back to task 5 and then check something. Okay, I'll zoom in my screen. Let's read this together. It says plus 100 points per NFT, maximum 5 NFTs. So this means that for every NFT that you mint, you get 100 points and you can mint up to 5, but not exceeding 5. And I just minted one. which means I got 100 NFT. Now I'm going to mint 4 more NFTs to make up 5. So I will enter the name of my second NFT, I love Photon. Then I'm going to tap on mint NFT. I'll confirm the minting in my wallet. Mint successful. You can now see I have 2 NFTs now with 2 different IDs. So I'm going to go ahead and then mint 3 more, but in order not to take up our time, I'm going to just pause, do that and then come back. So I am back. I now have 5 NFTs. You can see the first one under staking and you can see the other 4 at the top here. Next up, I'm going to claim some staking rewards. So I'll tap on claim PTON. You can see the amount that I have earned so far. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Successful. Next up, you can copy your invite link and share with others, and from your direct referrals you are going to earn 100 points, and from your indirect referrals you are going to earn 50 points. And then the last step in this testnet, but very important, is for you to obtain prime photon role to secure your airdrop allocation. So do that by tapping on obtain and it is going to take you to Galxe. So all of the tasks here on Galxe, they are simply social tasks. I won't be doing them in this video. I'll just come back once I am done verifying all of the tasks. So I have verified all of the tasks. I now have 1 role and 60 points to claim. So I'll tap on the claim button. Points and role have been claimed. So how do you know if you have indeed received that role on your Discord account? Let's go to Photon Discord server. To verify if you have any role that you are looking for in any server, you are going to go to any of their channels under that server, send a message, then tap on your profile picture to see everything about your profile, and you can see these are the roles I have in Photon Discord server. You can see I have the prime photon role, which I just got now from that Galxe interaction, and that is the role that you need to secure your airdrop allocation. So this is all about the Photon Aurora Testnet. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so that when there is a new update on Photon, you won't miss out on it. If you have found value in any of my contents before, then give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.